Hello guys, it's me Mixie. For today's video, we will mix apple green and ocean blue enamel paint for wood. Enamel paint is formulated to give a tough, durable, beautiful, and high-build film on wood and metal. Its superior hiding, combined with an exceptionally high gloss level, leads to excellent, long-lasting finished appearance. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button and notification bell to be updated on our more paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter apple green, quick drying enamel mix. Let's start by pouring at least 60% ratio of enamel lemon yellow. Then let's add small ratio of enamel sallow green. Let's add more lemon yellow. Stir the paint very well. We are more darker. Let's add more enamel, lemon yellow. Also add small amount of enamel white. Okay, let's compare it once more. We're much darker. We have to add more enamel white. Then, a drop of enamel sallow green. Almost the same, just add more enamel white to make it lighter. More drop of enamel phthalo green to reduce the yellowish shade. Yes, it's enamel apple green already. Mixing accomplished. Our next order, 1 liter ocean blue enamel paint mix. Let's start by pouring enamel phthalo blue on a 30% ratio of enamel white. Stir the paint well. Just add more enamel white and enamel phthalo blue until it's fully 1 liter. Yes, it's enamel ocean blue already. Mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.